Hello, my name is Tyler and today we are going to learn about guard cells and their primary functions. Before we begin, let me give you a small explanation about what guard cells are. These are specialized cells located in the lower leaf epidermis of plants. Pairs of guard cells surround the tiny stomatal airway pores. These tiny pores in the leaf surface are important for gas exchange, which allows the process of photosynthesis to occur. Okay, so now I will explain how the process of gas exchange is able to occur. Carbon dioxide will enter the plant, allowing carbon fixation reactions of photosynthesis to occur. Oxygen exits the plant as a byproduct of photosynthesis. This process is regulated through the stomatal pores of the leaf epidermis. Guard cells are extremely important for this process as they regulate the stomata by opening it and closing it. Now I will explain how guard cells generate the stomatal pores to either open or close. The opening and closing of these pores of gas exchange holes is regulated by the swelling and shrinking of the two surrounding guard cells. Water evaporates through the stomatal openings, causing plants to lose water. Over 95% of water loss from plants can occur by the evaporation through the stomatal pores. This makes guard cells very important for safety. As I just explained, guard cells are extremely important to the plant's survival. It is important for plants to be able to balance the amount of carbon dioxide being brought into the plant with the amount of water escaping as a result of opening the stomatal pores. In other words, guard cells are the protection devices saving the plant from dehydration. Opening and closing of the stomatal pore is mediated by the changes in turgor pressure of the two guard cells. The turgor pressure of guard cells is controlled by large quantities of ions and sugars into and out of the guard cells. When guard cells take up these solutes, the water potential inside of the cells decreases, causing osmotic water flow into guard cells. This leads to a turgor pressure increase, which opens the stomata. Okay, so now I have explained to you how turgor pressure is increased. However, it is also important to understand why guard cells shrivel up rather than swell up. When guard cells swell up, it is due to the increase in turgor pressure. However, when they shrivel up, guard cells have low turgor pressure. This is due to the stomatal pores not receiving the ions and sugars that are needed to regulate the opening and closing of the stomata appropriately. Another small, although important detail to know is that the main ions and sugars present in the guard cell process is potassium ions and chloride ions. In addition, guard cells will take up sugars in order to open and close the stomata more efficiently. Okay, to finish off this presentation, let's take a short review quiz. Question 1 is, why are guard cells important? Question 2 is, how do guard cells open and close the stomata? And the last question is, what ions are mostly present in the process of guard cells? Okay, so now this presentation is finished. I hope that it helped you understand the main subjects about guard cells.